I want to turn, and it's been giving me such a pit in my stomach watching live TV of the defamation case of Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard. Uh, from a legal perspective, uh, what does someone have to prove? I guess in this case, Johnny Depp being the plaintiff, Amber Heard being the defendant. What is the level of proof that Johnny Depp has to prove and his legal team have to prove as far as winning a defamation lawsuit?
So, winning a defamation lawsuit is extremely difficult.
Mm.
And I think that it is for good reason because we have such strong First Amendment protections. So, that's why the burden of proof in a defamation trial is extremely high. Now, when you watch this trial, you might think it's just about who abused who more or who was more toxic. But really, it's about whether or not Johnny Depp ever made Amber Heard feel like a victim of abuse, because the question is over the truth of her statement that she was a victim. So all we're arguing over here is whether or not she was a victim. It doesn't matter whether or not it was one time or 100 times that Johnny Depp did something. All that matters is one time Amber Heard may have felt that she was a victim and she will win. So the burden of proof
Mm.
on Johnny Depp's side is so high. He has to prove he never, ever, ever, ever once abused her. How do you prove that?
Right. It seems very hard. I see, and then just the mere fact, I was seeing that there's experts on both sides. So just the mere fact that it's gray, and then his testimony, her testimony, very high barrier, like you're saying, to prove that case. It's just a shame that they both have to go through that. I don't know. I don't know. He claims he lost $40 million in jobs. Nobody knows the truth. I always say there's this side, that side, and the truth. The whole thing is just a shame. Lawyers are making millions of dollars, and everything's public. And I think it's just going to drag on. And he's trying to. And I know also he lost his libel case. What's the difference between that case in the UK and this case that's going on here?
So, well, first of all, the UK has a different set of laws, so they have a different definition of defamation. But in the UK, it was over being called a wife beater by the Sun. And I mean, there he fully lost. And he lost so badly because the judge ruled that there was overwhelming evidence that she had been abused. I believe it was 12 out of the 14 times. So
Mm,
in this case in the US,
yeah.
she only has to prove that there was one time that she felt she was a victim. So again, that's even different, right? It's about perspective. If anybody
Mm.
believes any part of Amber Heard's testimony, which is that she felt victimized, then he loses.